Hi students, welcome to my class. Dear students, in the previous classes we are discussing the algebraic expressions. In that classes we have to discuss we have to understand the what do you mean about the variable, coefficient, constant, and then like terms, unlike terms, and the additions of the algebraic expressions. So these concepts we have discussed in the last classes. So today we are going to discuss the subtractions of the algebraic expressions and multiplications of the algebraic expressions. So these two concepts we have to discuss in these classes. Okay students? Yes, let us take one example for the subtractions of the algebraic expressions. See, first one, we will do the subtraction. I will take one example. See, 3x subtract 3x from 5x. Something is there, 3x from 5x. See students, if it is from word, it is indicated that 5x, see this 3x we have to subtract it from this 5x. So that's why 5x we have to write first. From order next year first work next we have to write the 3x. So minus 3x. Okay. So it is equal to 5x minus of 3x, it is equal to 2x. Finally we have to subtract the numerical coefficient. 5 minus of 3 is equal to 2 and x as it is written, 2x is the answer. Okay. Next 7x square y from 15x square y. See, first 15x square y you have to write it. 15x square y minus of 7x square y. Okay. Now we have to simply have to subtract the numerical coefficient because of these two are the like terms. We easily have to subtract it. 15 minus of 7 it becomes 8. So 8. So x square y as it is right now. So 8x square y is the answer. So next one students, 3x from 5y. What is the so subtract 3x from 5y. See, this 3x and 5y are the unlike terms. That's why we have to write first we have to write 5y. Then between minus you have to put it after that 3x. So 5y minus of 3x is the result of the difference of the 3x and 5y. Okay. So because of we cannot subtract these two terms because these two terms are the unlike terms. That's why. So these are we cannot subtract it. That's why 5y minus of 3x as it is written like that only. Okay. So next one students. We'll come to the monomial. This is monomial. So binomial to binomial. See, subtract 7x plus 4y from 3x minus 7y. Okay. See, first from after is there, no, that term you have to write down. First 3x minus of 7y. After that we have to write 7x plus 4y. So 7x you have to write in the below after 3x and plus 4y. Like terms na barita hogana. Clear? So now when we have to do the subtractions in a column method, this is a column method. Okay, when we have to subtract only subtractions time. So that time we have to changing the signs of the below of the expressions. See, 7x having which sign is there? See, nothing is there, plus is there. So we have to change this sign. If it is a plus means the sign it will become minus. This is also plus is there, we have to sign it become minus. So if it is minus is there means we have to become plus. So that's why here plus is there. I will write changing the signs. It become minus. So now see 3x having a plus sign and 7x having a minus sign. Is it right? 3x having a plus sign, 7x having a minus sign now. So the signs are what? Different. So when the signs are different, we have to do the subtractions. Is it right? Okay, 7x minus of 3x you have to subtract it. 7x minus of 3x is equal to 4x. So after the subtractions, bigger number, what are the bigger term? 7x is the bigger term. So what is the sign here? So minus is the sign of the bigger term. That's why we have to put minus sign. Then minus 7y, here minus 4y. So signs are 7y having a negative and 4y having is also negative. The signs are same. So when the signs are same, we have to do additions. So 7 plus 4 it become 11y. So after that, so same sign we have to put in the answer. So minus as it is written. Therefore minus 4x and minus 11y is the answer. So this is the column method. So another method is there, horizontal method. See, very simple. First we have to write on this one 3x plus minus 7y. Okay. After that minus, then we have to write this one 7x plus 4y. Okay. Now 3x as it is written minus 7y. Okay. So minus, nothing is there is plus. Minus into plus minus. Then we have to write 7x. After minus into plus minus 4y. After that, so like terms we have to write one side. So 3x I will write here only. Minus 7x I will write here. Okay. After minus 7y and minus 4y, one side you have to write on. X term you have to write one side and y term you have to write on the other side. So I am making the group. See 3x and 7x. So it having a plus sign is there. Here minus sign is there. These two are the like terms. So when the like terms, easily we have to subtract or add. See these two signs are different. That's why I have to do subtractions. 7x minus of 3x it become 4x. So bigger number sign is minus, that's why. Minus 7y, minus 4y. The signs are same. So same sign we have to do addition. 7y plus 4y it become 11y. After the addition, which sign is there in the both sides? Minus sign is there. That's why we have to put minus sign. So this is minus 4x and minus 7y. So any one method you have to choose it. Any one you have to choose the method and solve the subtractions. I understood it. So like this you have to do the subtractions. So one more thing. 7m square n plus 5 minus 5m square n mn square plus 6mn from 8mn square minus 9mn plus 10m square n. See, we have to do subtraction this one. Subtract 7m square n minus of 5mn square plus of 6mn from 8mn square minus of 9mn plus of 10m square n. See, from word is there, so we have to write first this one. I will solve in a column method. Column method is very easy to solve the subtraction sums. So that's why I will do the column method. See 8mn square I will write down first. After minus 9mn. After plus 10m square n. Okay. Next we have to write this terms. We have to write in the below of these expressions. But so m square n is there. So that term you have to write in the like terms only. Okay. 7m square n. M square n is there. Here is there. We have to write down in these terms. So plus nothing is there means plus is there. So that's why 7m square n. Aya term bariye. Okay. Next minus 5mn square. Since mn square is there, so this terms have to write. This term have to write on this terms. So minus 5mn square. Okay. After that 6mn, so that is a plus 6mn. Now we have to do the subtraction. When you are doing the subtractions in a column method, we have to change our signs. See, this here minus is there, we have to do plus. So here plus is there, we have to change the minus. Here also plus is there, we have to do the minus. Now 8mn square, nothing is there, plus is there. Here plus 5mn square. So plus 8mn square, 5mn square. So signs are both are same. We have to do addition. 8 plus 5, 13mn square. After minus 9mn, minus 6mn. So that's why signs are same. We have to put same sign only. after the same, when the signs are same, we have to do additions. So that's why 9 plus of 6 it become 50 mm. Okay. After signs plus is there, here also minus is there. So signs are different here. When the signs are different, we have to do subtractions. Okay. Plus is there, here minus. That's why signs are different. 10m square minus 10m square n and 7mn square m square n. So 10 minus of 7 it becomes 3m square n. After the subtraction, which is the bigger term here, 10m square n is bigger term, which are here plus sign. That's why we have to put in the answer. So that is the answer. 13mn square minus of 15mm plus of 3m square n. So this is the column method. So very easy to solve the column method. So if you want the horizontal, I will show the last one, horizontal method. This one sum. See, first I will write 8mn square minus of 9mn plus 10m square n minus put the bracket. This term you have to write down 7m square n minus 5mn square plus 6mn. Same. First this term as it is write down 8mn square minus of 9mn plus 10m square n. So now we have to multiply that minus 7m square n minus into minus plus 5mn square minus into plus minus 6mn. Okay, see, nothing is there means plus. We have to multiply the sign, minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus, minus into plus minus. Then we have to group in the like terms. See, 8mn square is there. Where is the mn square term? Mn here is there. So plus mn square plus 5mn square is there. After minus 9mn is there. So this term over, and this term, mn term, where is the mn term? Here. So that's why minus 9mn and minus 6mn. The remaining two terms 10m square n and 7m square n. So plus 10m square n minus 7m square n. So next 8mn square plus 5mn square. The signs are same. Correct. So when signs are same, you have to do additions. See, 8 plus 5, 13mn square. Come to these terms. Here minus is there, here also minus is there. These two are the like terms. So signs are same. We have to additions. So 9 plus 6, 15mn. After come to these two terms. So here we have plus sign is there. Here again negative sign is there. Signs are different. So we have to do subtraction. 10 minus of 7 it become 3m square n. After the subtractions, bigger term, which is the bigger term, 10m square is the bigger term, it has a plus sign. That's why we have to put the plus sign. Therefore, 13mn square minus of 15mn plus 3m square n. So this is the solutions of the in a column method, and this is a horizontal method. Understood? So like this, you have to subtract the algebraic expression. Okay, students? Yes. Now I will go to the multiplications of the algebraic expressions. Okay? Yes. Are you understand the subtractions of the algebraic expression? In the previous classes, I showed the additions of the algebraic expressions in a column method and the horizontal method. Two methods are there. You have to anyone have to solve with the anyone method. You have to solve the addition and the subtractions of the algebraic expressions. So your choice. Okay. So next one, the multiplications of the algebraic expressions. Multiplications. So first one, I will take monomial by a monomial. Monomial to monomial ಹೇಗೆ multiplication ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Monomial to monomial. Okay. See. First example, 3xy and 2xy. 3xy and 2xy. Okay. So this is one of the monomial and this is also another monomial. So I will multiply monomial to monomial. So there are rules are there. So number one, First we have to do sign multiplication. Sign multiplication. After that, constant term multiplication or numerical term multiplication, numerical or number multiplication. After that, variable multiplication. So this step you have to follow that when you are multiplication in the algebraic expressions. First you have to do sign multiplication if it is the signs are different. See, next number multiplication, after that variable multiplication. So let us take one example. 3xy and 2xy are there. So here first two signs multiplications, but here plus, here also plus into plus only. We need not to multiply the sign. Then we have to go to the number multiplication. 3 2s are 6. 3 2 we write here only. 3 2s are 6. After that what? Number after variable. Here variable, how many variables are there? 2 variables are there. First we have to multiply the first variable, x into x. X into x how much? X square, not 2x. In additions, the variable cannot multiply. Okay. So in a multiplication, the variable terms are multiplied. It will become square. So y into y, y square. Therefore, 6x square, y square. Okay. So next one, 5 ab square into 7 a square b. Okay, it is equal to first number sign multiplication. It having a plus sign. You need not to multiply the sign. So we should go to the directly. 5 7s are 35. After that variable multiplication, here a term is there. Here also a term is there. But here a to the power of 1 is there. Here a square is there. So a into a square, a into a square. So we have to write a. So here 2 is there, here 1 is there. We have to write 3. After b term is there, we have to write b terms. So here 2 is there, here nothing is there, 1 is there. 2 plus 1 it becomes 3. Therefore 35 a power 3 and b power 3 are 35 a cube and b cube. A cube and b cube. Okay. So this is the product of these two terms. So next one I will take 1 by 3 into ABC into 1 by 2 ABC a square b square. Okay. See, first I will write down the multiplications of the sign, but if you have a plus sign, you need not to multiply that. After 1 by 3 into 1 by 2, 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. After that, variable multiplication. What are the variables are there? A is there, B is there, and then C is also is there. So we have to write the powers. Here nothing is there means 1 is there, here also 1, here also 1. A power 1 is there, here a power 2 is there. So 2 plus 1 how much? 3, a power 3. Here b power 1 is there, here b square is there. So b square and b power 1 it becomes b power 3. Here c power 1 only 1 is there, here nothing is there. You have to write like that only. Therefore 1 by 3 into 1 by 2 it becomes 1 into 1 1, 3 2s are 6. 1 by 6 a cube b cube c. 1 by 6 a cube b cube c is the product of the 1 upon 3 ABC into 1 upon 2 a square b square. Can you understand, students? So these are the product of the monomial to monomial. Then students, monomial, 2 or more monomials. See, 3a into 4b into 2c. So there are 3 terms are there. See, 3a into 4b into 2c. So first sign multiplication, there is no any signs in the so nothing is there means plus is there. So we need not to be multiplications of the signs. Then we have to go to the number multiplication. 3 4 2. 3 4s are 12. 12 2s are 24. After that variable multiplication. Here a is there, and here b is there, and c is there. So only one time are there. A is one time, b is also one time, c is also one time. That's why ABC. Simplicity for ABC. So one more thing. 7 AB. So 5p square cube into 2p cube into p q square. See, first we have to do number multiplication. 5 2s are 10, 10 in nothing is there means here 1 is there. So therefore 5 2s are 10, 10 into 1, 10. After that variable multiplication. Variable, how many variables are there? 2 variables are there. What are those? P and Q. Here P square, here P power 1 is there, here also P power 1 is there. How many? 2, 3, 4. So therefore P power 4. And Q is there, 1 is there, here also 1 is there, here 2 is there. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. Therefore 10 P to the power of 4 and Q to the power of 4 is the product of these two terms, these three terms. Okay, I understand friends. So this is the multiplications of the monomial to monomial. Now next one, monomial to trinomial. See, monomial to trinomial. Monomial to binomial first. Monomial to binomial. How to multiply monomial to binomial? Yes, friends, I will take one example. 3m into 2m square plus 5mn. Okay, see here this is the monomial and this is the binomial. So monomial to binomial we have to do multiplication. So 3m we have to multiply by 2m square and 3m is also multiplied by 5mn. Okay, so 3 2s are 6m into m square, 6m square. First we should multiply these two terms and then we should multiply 3m to the 5m. So 3 2s are 6m, 3 2s are 6. After that variable multiplication, here m into m square. Here nothing is there, 1 is there. M into 1 into m square, it becomes m cube. So then plus 3 5s are 15. After that multiplications, number multiplication, we should go to the variable multiplication. Here m term is there and here n term is there. So m power 1, here nothing is there, 1, m power 1 into m power 1, it becomes m square. N is as it is right on. Therefore 6m cube plus of 15 m square n. So this is the monomial to the binomial. So I will take one more example. 2p square or 2p cube into 5p square minus of 6q square. Okay, see, first same rule. So first term should multiply by the monomial to first term of the binomial, again monomial to second term of the binomial. So first term 2p cube into, we should multiply by 5p square. Okay, the minus, I will take one more steps. So minus factor right on, again 2p cube, again 2p cube should multiply by 6q square. So we should take one more step. So then we should multiply by the numerical term. 2 5s are 10. So p cube, here also p is there. So p cube have to write on. P is 1 time is there, here 2 times is there, 3 times. Q as it is right on. So therefore 10 p cube q cube minus q only. 10 p power 3 into q minus as it is right on. 2 6 are 12. 12 p cube and q square. So p cube, here only one term is there, p. Q terms, here 2 times is there, here 1 time is there, therefore 3 times. So therefore 10 p cube q and minus 12 p q cube. Okay, 10 p power 3 into q minus of 12 p q power 3. So this is the product of these two terms. Okay, so this is the monomial to binomial. Like monomial to trinomial. Monomial to trinomial. How to multiply the monomial to trinomial? See, 3xy into 2x minus of y plus z is there. See, 3xy into 2x minus of y plus z. So this is the trinomial and this is a monomial. So I will multiply monomial to trinomial, same as it is into monomial to binomial, as it is to monomial to trinomial. Okay, same procedure. First we should multiply 3xy into the 2x and 3xy we should multiply by y. Again 3x we should multiply to z. Okay, 3 times you have to multiply. So first 3xy we should multiply by 2x. After that minus we should put minus. Again 3xy and y term should write down. After that plus again 3xy we should multiply to z. Okay, next one friends, we should multiply by 3 2s are 6x into x square into y, 6x square y. So minus 3, nothing is there, 1 is there, 3 1s are 3. After x into y square. After that plus 3, nothing is there, 1 is there, 3 1s are 3. So x, y and z. So this is the product of the these 3xy into 2x minus y plus of z. Okay. So next one more example students. Minus 5 ab into okay 3a square minus 2b square minus 4c square. Okay, see, same rule, we should multiply by same rule. Sorry, this is plus. Same rule. See, first minus 5 into AB. Minus 5AB should multiply to first term. What is the first term? 3A square. Again, so first we should multiply by minus 5AB. Minus 5AB into so minus 5AB we should multiply by minus so minus 2AB. So first I will multiply the sign multiplication. So this is plus minus, this is also minus into minus plus. So 5AB, after that 2B square, then minus into plus minus. Okay, after that 5AB into 4c square. Okay, next. So here minus is there, we should minus only, we should have to write down. Minus 5 3s also. Minus 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. Minus 15. A into a square, a cube into b. So plus only is there. So 5ab into 2b square. So therefore 5 2s are 10. A into only one term is there. So we have to write one time only. B into b square, it becomes b power 3. So minus 4 5s are 5 4s are 20. Then a into only a one term is there, a, and b is also one term is there, and c square. So this is the minus 15 a cube b plus of 10 ab cube b cube minus of 10 abc square. So this is the product of these two terms. Understand friends? This minus 5ab and 3a square plus of 2b square plus of 4c square. So this is the product of these terms. Okay. So this is the monomial to trinomial. Are you understand friends? Yes. So next one friends, binomial to binomial. How to multiply by binomial to binomial? It is a very important. See, binomial to binomial. Very important. Okay, so I will take one example. 3a plus 4b is one of the binomial. This binomial we should multiply by the another binomial. I will take 5a plus 2b. 5a plus 2b. Okay. So this is one of the binomial and this is the another binomial. So we should multiply by binomial to binomial. Yes. How you are multiplying by binomial to binomial? So procedure like this there. See, 3a is the first term. So this is term we should multiply by 5a and 2b. The whole term, the whole binomial we should multiply by the first term of the binomial, and 4b again we should multiply by 5a plus 2b. ನೋಡಿ 3a ಇಂದ ಒಂದು ಸರಿ 5a plus 2b ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, then 4b ಇಂದ again 5a plus 2b ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, First I will take 3a. This term we should multiply to the whole term. What is the whole term? 5a plus 2b. Okay. After that, plus 4b. Again we should multiply by same term, that is 5a plus 2b. Okay. Can you understand how to write this first step? Yes. So next step, again same procedure, monomial to binomial. Okay. So 3a we should multiply by 5a. Again 3a we should multiply by 2b. So 3 5s are 50. A into a square. And 3 plus into plus 3 2s are 6. A into b, ab, 6ab. After that, plus again 4b we should multiply by 5a. Again 4b should multiply by 2b. So 4 5s are 20. B into a, now a into b, what? ab. After that, plus into plus 4b into 2b. 4 2s are 6. B into b, b square. Okay. So next 50a square as it is right on. So 6ab and 23ab, these two are the like terms. So that's why we can add these two terms. It become 20 plus 6, 26ab. 26ab. After that, plus 6b square. So this is the product of the 3a plus 4b and 5a plus 2b. So this is a binomial to binomial. So let us take one more example. 2m square minus of 3mn into 3m square plus 5mn. Okay, see here 2m square minus of 3mn and 3m square plus of 5mn. So these two are the binomials. So same procedure. First 2m square we should multiply by 2m square we should multiply by whole terms. What is that terms? 3m square plus of 5mn. Okay, then minus 3mn minus 3m, the whole multiplication of 3m square plus 5mn. Okay, next 2 3s are then same, this one and this one. Okay, 2 3s are 6 m square into m square, m to the power of 4. After that, plus 2 5s are 10, m square into m is become m cube, n as it is right on. After that, come to this one. Here minus is there, here plus is there. So minus into plus minus. 3 3s are 9. M into m square, it become m cube, n as it is right on. After that, here minus is there, here plus is there. So that's why minus into plus minus 3mn. So 3 5s are 15. M here also m is there, therefore m square. Here n is there, here also n is there, n square. M square, n square. Now see 6m power 4 I will write as it is right on. So these two are the like terms. So these like terms we can easily subtract or easily add it. But here negative sign is there, here plus is there. The signs are different. So we have to do subtractions. 10 minus of 9 it become 1. We need not to put 1. M cube n as it is right on. So 10 m cube n ಅಲ್ಲಿ 9 m cube n ಹೋಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ 1 m cube n ಅಂತ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ 1 m cube n ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬಾರ್ದು, just m cube n ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. So after that subtraction, bigger our sign is there, plus, that's why we should plus sign. The remaining minus 15 m square n square. So this is the product of the 2m square minus of 3mn and 3m square plus of 5mn. Do you understand, students? So this is the binomial to binomial. I will take one more example. 1 upon 2 x minus 1 upon 2 minus of x into x minus 1 upon 3y. Okay, 1 upon x into y into x minus of 1 by 3y. Yes, same procedure. 1 by 2x into, we should multiply by x minus of 1 by 3y. After that, minus y, this term we should multiply again same, x minus of 1 by 3y. Okay, next one we should come to monomial to binomial. 1 by 2x into x. First we should multiply numerical term, nothing is there 1. 1 by 2 into 1, 1 by 2, x into x, x square. So minus is there, we should minus only write down because here plus is there. So again 1 by 2 into 1 by 3, 1 into 1, 1, 2 3s are 6. Numerator, denominator, multiply that. After variable multiplication, here x is there, here y is there, therefore we should xy, put the xy. After that, minus is there, here plus is there. Minus into plus, minus. Y into x or x into y, xy. Then minus into minus, plus. Minus into minus, plus. After that, 1 by 3 into y into y. 1 by 3, y square. Okay. Now, here 1 by xy is there, here xy is there. So, like terms are there, both are. So, we should add it because of same signs are there. Therefore, 1 by 2 x square. So, here minus 1 by x, 1 by 6 and here nothing is there 1. So, 1 by 6 and 1 we should add it. See, 1 by 6 and plus 1 by 1 is only 1. Nothing is there means 1. So, 6 by 6 and 1 LCM is 6. Okay. So, that's why 6 get cancelled. We should apply the LCM. 6 get cancelled, remaining 1. Plus 1 into 1 6. 6 into 1 6. 6 plus 1 it becomes 7 by 6. Therefore, 1 by 6 and 1 we should add means 7 by 6. Is it right? Yes, 7 by 6. So minus sign is there, we should put minus sign only. Xy and xy, same xy I have to write down, and plus 1 by 3 y square. Okay, so this is the product of the, what is that, 1 by 2x minus of y into x minus of 1 by 3y. So this is the binomial to binomial. Can you understand? The last one, students, binomial to trinomial. Binomial to trinomial. So an example, 2a plus 5b is one of the binomial and 3a plus b minus 2c. This is one of the trinomial. This is a binomial and this is a trinomial. So how to multiply by binomial to trinomial? Same procedure, students, very simple. So this 2a term is there, no? That 2a term we should multiply the whole the trinomial, and 5b is also the whole multiplication of the whole trinomial. So first we should multiply by 2a into 3a plus b minus of 2c and plus 5b into 3a plus b minus 2c. Next step, we should multiply by 2a whole to the multiply by 3a, b and 2c. First 2 3s are 6a into a square. After that plus 2 into 1, 2, a into b, ab. After that plus into minus, 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4, a into c, ac. Then plus into plus, 3 5s are 15, b into a or a into b, ab or b, both are same. Then plus into plus, 5 1s are 5, b into b square. So minus, plus into minus, 5 2s are 10, b into c, bc. Is there any like terms? Yes, it becomes 6a square. So plus 2ab, we should write on plus 2ab. So ab term is there? Yes, is there. What is the 15ab? Then ac term is there anything? No, ac term is not there. So that's why minus 4ac as it is right on. Here AB, AC, here AB, B square, BC. Okay. Then 4AC. After that, you already over plus 5B square and minus 10BC. Okay, 6A square and plus 15AB to AB, it becomes 17AB and minus 4AC is there. So it is only one term as it is right on. And plus 5b square as it is right on, minus 10bc as it is right on. Only one term is there. You need not to add or subtract anyone. Okay. That's why 6a square plus of 17ab minus of 4ac plus of 5b square minus of 10bc. This is the product of the 2a plus 5b into 3a plus b minus of 2c. You understand? So I will take one more example. The last example. 2m square minus of 5mn into 3m minus 4n plus 2mn. Okay, this is the binomial to trinomial. Same procedure, students. First 2m square we should multiply the whole term. What is that? 3m minus of 4n plus 2mn. After that minus 5mn. That's term we should multiply the whole term. What is that? 3m minus 4n plus 2mn. Next, 2 3s are 6, m square into m cube, minus 2 4s are 8, m square into m square n, plus 2 2s are 4, here m square, here m cube, here n as it is right on, then come to this terms, minus 5 3s are 15, m into m square n, then minus into minus plus, see, here minus, here also minus, minus to minus plus, 5 4s are 20, m as it is right on, n into n square, then plus, sorry, minus into plus, minus, 5 2s are 10, m into m square, n into n square, okay, m into m square, n into n square. So next one, students, so we have to make in the like terms groups, 6m cube, so is there any m cube terms? Nothing is there. So that's why m cube, 6m cube minus 8m square n. Here also minus 15m square n. Correct. So these two are the like terms. That's why minus 8m square n and minus 15m square n. After that plus 4m cube n. 4m cube n. After that 20mn square plus 20 mn square. Is there mn square terms? So that is there, and then finally 10 m square n square, 6m cube. So minus 8m square n and 15m square n. So signs are same. We should add it. 15 plus 8, 23 m square n. Then plus 4m cube n as it is right now. This term as it is right now, and this is also plus 20 mn square as it is right on, minus 10 m square n square as it is right on. Okay, so this is the product of the given binomial to trinomial. Okay, students? Yes. So this is the subtractions of the algebraic expressions and the multiplications of the algebraic expressions. Are you understand, students? So this procedure you have to learn in this in your home. Okay, practice in your home, and then in the related exercise problems are there, you have to solve it in your home. Okay, students? Yes, in the next class, students, we have to discuss the identities of the algebraic expressions are there. In that that concept you have to discuss in the next classes. Okay, thank you.